On a perfectly clear lake, sunlight filters down through the water, illuminating a world in perfect harmony. It's a delicate, invisible dance. Oxygen circulates freely, sediments on the bottom are clean and sandy, and a whole community, from microscopic phytoplankton and the zooplankton that eat them to the fish that hunt them all, exists in a state of equilibrium. But this balance is fragile. When something throws it off, typically a drop in oxygen in the deep water, a devastating chain reaction begins. The lake bed, once stable, awakens and starts to release a flood of trapped nutrients. This is a feast for the wrong kind of life, fast-growing toxic cyanobacteria. The system spirals. The water turns murky green, choked with weeds. Toxic algal blooms form, creating dead zones and destroying habitats for fish and other wildlife. The lake is essentially suffocating. So how do you bring a lake back from the brink? It starts by addressing the root causes. First, by restoring dissolved oxygen back into the deepest parts of the lake, we can fundamentally change the sediment chemistry. It's like turning a key in a lock. The excess nutrients are trapped once again in the lake bed, breaking the vicious cycle that feeds the runaway algae. With oxygen restored, another hero can get to work: zooplankton. These tiny creatures can now venture into the depths to feed on the layer of organic muck that has built up. This is a form of natural dredging. They consume the detritus, which further reduces nutrient release, clears out the sludge, and helps restore the lake's natural depth. As the nutrient buffet disappears, the entire microscopic ecosystem begins to shift. The harmful cyanobacteria, which thrive in low oxygen, high nutrient conditions, lose their unfair advantage. In their place, a more diverse and stable community of phytoplankton returns, forming the foundation of a healthy food web. This cascade of recovery builds on itself. The water clears, allowing sunlight to penetrate deeper. The revitalized zooplankton population becomes a reliable food source for fish, and the entire ecosystem strengthens. The result is a complete transformation. Where there was once a murky, dying system, there is now a resilient, balanced one. The water is clear, the fish are healthy, and the toxic blooms are a thing of the past. It's a powerful reminder that even when an ecosystem seems broken, balance can return when its fundamental needs for oxygen, stable sediments, and the right nutrients are met.